Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 515 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all we have to find the camera, so let's enter the menu and go to the right and press select. Here, as you can see right now, we are on the camera mode, so first of all we have to switch to the video one. It should be on the right side, so just go to the right with this this button. Let's go. If it is highlighted, just press the middle button. Right now we can enter the settings, so the left button here, and let's go to the settings. As you can see, on the second position we've got the video resolution, and we've got two different options to choose from. So currently we've got the low one, and by going to the right we can find high. As you can see, we've got only those options here. If you want to set particular resolution, just have it here, so have it highlighted and press the middle button. As you can see, the changes has been saved, which simply means that from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Nokia 515. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.